In addition to the other brachytherapy modalities I've already discussed, I would also like to introduce the Accuboost apparatus here in front of me. This is the newest addition to the arsenal of treatment that we offer here at Littleton Radiation and Medical Oncology. This is a non-invasive way of treating breast cancer, and what I mean by that is no tubes or needles would be involved in using radioactive sources to treat a deep-seated breast cancer within the breast. We were able to give the entire course of breast management over either 5 or 10 treatments, depending on what type of treatment we're doing and if you've had previous external beam radiation therapy, and the entire course can be given over 5 to 10 days. The way this machine works is the breast is placed in between the paddles as if you were getting a mammogram, but most women tell us it's gentler than a mammogram because the compression is a little bit lighter. And we irradiate from the top and bottom, and then we rotate the machine and radiate from the left and right. This has the effect of giving an intense dose of radiation deep within the breast and very little radiation to the skin. So the results obtained so far over the past 5 to 10 years using this technique have basically been identical to the invasive forms of brachytherapy. And yet the patient satisfaction is much higher because there is no operative procedure or invasiveness. The side effects from this are very minimal. We rarely see any skin reactions from this, and the long-term effects of it are basically the same risk as the brachytherapy I've described so far, which is a small risk of necrosis or death of normal breast tissue that can happen maybe 1% of the time, which is surgically managed typically, or sometimes just conservatively managed. But no other real long-term effects of this.
The Accuboost was a much more positive treatment than the previous treatment that I had received. There was no pain involved, there was no burning, there were no side effects.
So I'd like to say that we are excited to have this new modality available at Littleton Radiation and Medical Oncology, another tool in the armamentarium against cancer that we offer to the general public.
I would definitely recommend the Accuboost to anybody who needs any kind of treatment like this. It is a great way to go.